Amazon rainforest. And if you look around, you may notice some of our Amazonian butterflies. They have a wingspan of about 1 foot all the way up to a whopping 12 inches. Yeah, we call them the rulers of the jungle. Real monarchs. Now this right here, this is Inspiration Falls. People always ask me, Skipper Morgan, why do they call it Inspiration Falls? Well, because if you stare at it long enough, it does inspire you to go. Well, we're going deeper and deeper into the jungle, so y'all better hold it. Because we're now entering into the Congo River, where we're going to see how far we can go. And if you guys have never seen the Jungle Book before...
Jungle Book.
Jungle Book. Buffalo. Now up ahead is our boat and bait and bite shop. It's a great place to grab a bite. I recommend the Piranha. But you can rent a boat here too. Now when you rent a boat, they give you a choice between a regular paddle and a deluxe. It's really either or. Yeah, it's usually crawling with people. I wonder if something scared them off. Oh, that'll do it. Oh, he reminds me of my ex. Yeah, squeeze me for all I'm worth. So I live in a tent now, and oh, this is awkward. You see what happens when you teach gorillas how to pick locks and hotwire cars? It's my own fault, really. Hey, don't worry about that dynamite. That's none of your business. Hey, look on the bright side. Couldn't get that Jeep started this morning. Looks like they got it to turn over. Yeah, must have used a monkey wrench, huh? Oh, moving on. Say goodbye to the Congo because we are turning down the Nile River. Yeah, we gotta turn it down. It was way too loud. Stretches on for Nile. And Nile. And Nile. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you like interrupting jokes? You're proud of yourself? Don't worry. This one over here, this one's trained. Ready? Speak. Louder. Spray the boat. We're still working on that one. Okay, now this right here, this is sandstone. And I want to tell you it's sandstone because some people take it for granted. Yeah, one of our boulder attractions here. We're now passing through the African belt where no hand of man has ever set foot. You can see all kinds of exotic wildlife, including this pride of lions enjoying that zebra on the rocks.
Zebras.
Yeah, but don't worry, kids. They're just guarding the sleeping zebra, okay? Yeah, he's dead. Tired.
Zebra.
Tired. He's sleeping. It's fine. Wow. Oh, well, this is just embarrassing. Well, that guy on the bottom of the pool over there, that's Skipper Felix. I don't really like to talk about Skipper Felix. So you can see that he is currently demonstrating one of the #1 rules we have around here, which is if you are being chased by a rampaging rhino, you gotta trip the guy next to you, okay? But I guess he got the point in the end. And those hyenas must have gotten the last laugh, but hey, what a rhino. What a rhino. Now as we round the corner over here, you're gonna see my buddy Smiley over there on the left. Next to him is his lovely little girlfriend Ginger. Just be careful with Ginger. Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. Now in front of you, you're going to see one of the most beautiful sights you've ever seen before in your life. And behind me is Schweitzer Falls. Now Schweitzer Falls is named after that famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Don't worry, we'll be going over that later. Now if you can believe it, more water goes over that thing in 1 minute than a person can drink in their entire life. I don't know about you, but I find that pretty hard to swallow. Crazy. But speaking of crazy, people are always asking me, Skipper Morgan, how did you land your job here at the Jungle Cruise? My job was pretty plain to see. I took a crash course. And I've been winging it ever since. But you know what a down plane of the jungle means, right? You were right. Hippos. And we seem to have stumbled into a pool of hungry hippos. So do me a favor, try not to look like a marble. Yeah, sometimes hippos like to charge the boat. Look at them, they're trying to charge the boat. I'll talk to them. Hey, pal, listen. I only take cash. Yeah, that's what I thought. They sunk like, what, 5 of our boat sizes? Only 4 of them were mine. Whoop, that's not mine. This is kind of ironic, though. People are always like, Skipper Morgan, your job's so easy, a monkey could do it. Well, if my job's so easy, let's just listen to their jokes. Well, parents language. Sorry about that. I don't know where they learned that language. Monkey see, monkey do. There's the cargo. First things first, I'm not cleaning that up. Listen, I don't know anything about cargo. I can barely make cocoa. And you know those butterflies, they just ain't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Now this right here, this is the moment that you've all been waiting for. The one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water. Don't try that at home. You're gonna hit your head on the faucet. We like to call that O2H. Yes, that is H2O backwards. I like to tell chemistry jokes periodically. We'll make sure we're completely seated on our back pockets for me, okay? Thank you. So it looks like we're in the Mekong River. It's kind of Mekong me nervous. The Khmer Empire was known for building temples like these all throughout Cambodia. Looks like it could be full of adventure and danger. So here's the plan. We're going to go in. Keep your eyes open. I'm going to keep mine closed. Oh, it's worse than I thought. Well, I hope one of y'all knows the contention. Because it's a root canal. All the pictures you'd like. Yeah, they got their trunks on. Looks like it at least. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you look up here, you're going to see two baby elephants playing under a full moon. Adorable. Do not spray this boat. What did I say about behaving when we have people over? I see you lurking behind that rock. Absolutely not. You get back in that water. You get back in that water right now. What did I just say? Okay, throw away his seatbelt. That's mature. Absolutely not. Drop it. Down. Thank you. Sorry. They're very sweet. They're just notorious for spraying boats. And I get nervous because you know that stuff that comes out of their noses. I wish I could tell you that was water. Yeah, it's not. Anyway. Looks like we are stuck in a little bit of a giraffic jam, but that's okay. You're in luck. This is the educational part of the cruise. I'm going to point out some of my favorite jungle plant species up top. We got some hibiscus. Down along the bottom, that's usually where the low biscuits like to hang out. In the water back there, thought I saw the sea biscus, and they're rare this time of year. The ones with the bark, those are doggy biscus. And there is one up here, but I'm not going to point it out to you, because it's none hibiscus. We tried selling some of these plants in our gift shop, but I got to tell you, nobody bought me. Now last botany joke, that's okay, give it a second, it'll grow on you. Now no trip to the jungle would be complete without a stop by our gift shop. This is Trader Sam's gift shop. It used to be the Lost and Found, but he put his sign on that sign and we just kind of let him do what he wants. Sam's not here, he's out hunting down some new merchandise. You would not believe the kinds of things that people like to leave in their strollers sitting around in the middle of walkways. It's incredible. But I have heard that if you can prove it was yours, you get a discount. Now, folks, you have been an outstanding crew.